Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 肉巻きキャベツの照り焼き. It's cabbage, wrapped with pork and cooked in teriyaki sauce. It's just pork and cabbage, but the cabbage adds nice texture to it, and teriyaki sauce makes the dish so flavorful. At the end of the video, I will show you how I do a menu with this 肉巻きキャベツの照り焼き, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 16 to 20 slices of thinly sliced pork rib. Cabbage. I'm using 1/4 of this. 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce, mirin and sake. 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. I'm going to shred the cabbage first. Remove the core. Take half of this and shred. Same for the rest of the cabbage. Spread the slices of pork. Dust with some flour. Put some cabbage and roll it up. Okay, all wrapped. Dust them with flour on the outside too. Mainly on the pork, not on the cabbage. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat. And let's cook them. With the end of the roll facing down. and just cook them until the pork is brown on all sides. Once the pork is well cooked, let's add all these seasonings. Make some space here. Garlic, mirin, sake, soy sauce, and sugar. Give it a mix. Then mix them all together. And keep cooking for 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce is thickened. Looks good. Kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve on the plate. Don't forget to put the sauce too. Some sesame seeds if you like. And 肉巻きキャベツの照り焼き is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。The beauty of the dish is the cabbage soaked up all the porky teriyaki sauce. So good! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 肉巻きキャベツの照り焼き is the main, so it goes here. The main contains a lot of vegetables, so let's pass one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here, enoki miso soup or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!